Arccaptain's X300 welding helmet. This thing has true color view, wide angle. I can actually see over here, not just here. It's got all the controls on the side of the helmet instead of having to make adjustments on the lens itself, like my Lincoln. So let's take this thing for a spin. This thing's right out of the box. It's still got the protective film on the outside lens here. All right, so like I said, this thing is fresh out of the box. I mean, it's still got the protective film on this outside lens, which I really like this lens. Unlike my Lincoln, it's got, you know, a lens built into the helmet. This thing, it's got these little plastic screws on the outside, and this whole outer lens cover comes off, and which protects not just your main lens, but your two side windows also. And there's two extras in the box, which is really nice. So I've been rocking the Lincoln 3350, I think it is. I've been using this thing for several years now, and I really like the helmet. I mean, there are things that I don't like. Like I said, this has your adjustments, your delay, or your sensitivity, or your shade. It's got a weld setting, a cut setting, and a grind setting. And then on this side, it's got like how quickly it responds, the sensitivity, the delay. So you can set it slow, middle, or fast on the delay, and then you can kind of dial it in, the sensitivity of it. So really nice. Unlike my Lincoln, all the controls are here on the actual lens itself. So we gotta, you know, take the helmet off to make any adjustments. So not bad, just kind of a pain. Unlike the Arccaptain, everything's right here on the outside, really nice. The headband, compared to the two, nice and sturdy. This one, it's, honestly, I think it might be a little too thin. I mean, it's nice and flexible, which means it'll be comfortable. I've already adjusted this, by the way. Adjustments are just like the Lincoln, pretty much the same thing. It just seems like it's made of maybe a thinner plastic. So we'll see longevity-wise how it's gonna work, but I think it'll be more comfortable because it is so flexible. I mean, that thing bends really nice. Unlike the Lincoln, it's a little bit thicker. So it's maybe not quite as flexible. Time will tell, we'll have to see. Overall, the quality of the helmet, I mean, it's nice and sturdy, feels really good. It's a little flexy compared to my Lincoln. This feels like it might be maybe a little bit thicker. Maybe, it's hard to say. I don't even know if I could throw like a pair of calipers on there if that would even tell me anything, but overall, I really like it. The only thing, I'm not a fan of glossy. I like more of a matte, but that's just personal preference. I do like the design of this helmet. It comes, I believe, in like 5 different designs. I'm not certain. I'll check while I'm editing and I'll post it here. I think it's like 5 though. But overall, really, really nice looking helmet. I love this outer shield, that protective lens that kind of protects the main lens and your side wide angle lenses that are on the side. So let's take this thing for a rip and see how it does. I'll try to get you some shots of the true color view. I'm really excited to check that out. Let's throw some gloves on, and we're gonna do a little bit of welding and see how this thing works. All right, so I'm gonna weld up some of this. This is 3/8. This is some 3/8 plate. I want to weld this together for another video for something. So I'm gonna weld these together. I'm really excited to try this out, guys. Like I said, the biggest thing that I really like about these helmets is that true color view. I'm really excited to try that out. So I got the Arccaptain MiG 250 ready to go. I'm all set up. So let's throw some sparks. Let's stick some metal together. It's acting like there's no gas. I know there's gas. I'm just adjusting my settings, getting everything dialed in here, playing with the shade and the sensitivity. This thing's acting like there's no gas. the hell's going on? It would help if I actually had the gas turned up. It was basically, nozzle was basically closed. So yeah, it really wasn't getting any gas. Much better. I mean, you can see, look how ugly that was. Just all porous and nasty looking instead of being nice and silver. But the view in this thing, that's kind of cool, guys. That looks really crystal clear. Oh my God. Yeah. I'm going to try to get you guys set up where you can actually see what's going on. I'll throw the link in back on. I'll set a camera up inside the Arccaptain to see if you can see this. Hopefully the shot works like I'm hoping. All right, hopefully this works. You can see here in the corner, I've got the helmet laying on its side. I got my GoPro in the helmet. I really hope this does it justice. I doubt it will, but hopefully it'll give you some idea. Might help if I actually grab my other helmet. So I'm gonna weld right along here. Hopefully everything shows up everywhere. Hopefully the GoPro does it justice inside the helmet. Here we go. Guys, I really hope that showed up. So I was editing the footage last night that I recorded, and I was not happy with the footage that I got through the true color view lens of the Arccaptain helmet. So I've got you guys set up. I'm going to try again. I really think I can get some better footage. It's just hard to get with the camera inside the helmet, you know, and to get a shot. But we're going to try. So here I've got everything set up. I'm going to try to get as close to maybe close to the camera, closer to the lens, and see. I'm going to go right there, and hopefully we can get a good clear shot of this weld. I'm going to try, hopefully, and then we'll see how it looks. Hopefully that was a better view. I'll see when I edit. Here's the hoping. Good on the GoPro. I really do. Yeah. So it definitely looks better than my Lincoln, I'll tell you that. Let's see if we can get another shot of that. I really hope that shows up good on the old helmet. Let's see. Where's that looking? Oh yeah, that should look good. All right, do this again. I'm digging this thing. I'm gonna run some more with this because this is quite enjoyable. I do gotta play with the settings, play with the adjustment, but like anything, I mean, it's a new toy. You gotta learn it. Got to play with it, so that's what we're going to do. We're going to play some more. Let's see. Let's run some more. I think I might be a little high on this. Guys, this Arccaptain MiG 250 is a really nice machine. Same thing. I'm still learning it. I'm still learning my settings. Inside the door, obviously, it has settings, so it's just a guideline. I really got to play with this thing a lot and really dial in my settings and make like a cheat sheet for that thing. But let's play with the helmet for now. That is just a crystal clear view. I really like that. I mean, I think I got the sensitivity where I like it, maybe. I've got it on medium, like middle sensitivity, middle delay. The sensitivity, oh, actually the sensitivity was all the way down. Let's put that like midway. We'll try that again. Guys, it's really nice, like not seeing everything in like a shade of green. That's really nice. Yeah, it's, and with those side view too, with the, I don't know if how this will show up on camera, but over on the side, there's windows on the side right here and right there. So those are green, but they're not really dark. They're like tinted green. They don't change. They're just a fixed shade. So the inside of the mask kind of gets bright, but not bright enough to bother your eyes. So it's kind of nice. This thing runs off 2 batteries because there's 2 different controls, and I'm gonna sneeze. Runs off 2 batteries. I really like this. This is fun. I really like that true color view. So much better than the Lincoln, than like a normal welding helmet. I need to weld these porous areas up. Now I'm just burning wire. Oh yeah. A lot of slag. Still gotta play with my settings. Let's turn that down some more. Guys, replace your welding helmet. Have good PPE. It's so important. Arccaptain's X300 welding helmet. I can't say enough good things about this. I am enjoying this. It is making this so much more fun. It's just, when you can really see what you're doing and it's crystal clear like that, I really hope it showed up good with the GoPro. Guys, check them out. Arccaptain, I think, is running a sale right now. Use my link down below. Use my discount code MoonBuilt. You'll get 5% off your entire purchase, even if it's something that's on sale, like a welding helmet, a MiG 250, whatever it is. Check out Arccaptain. Appreciate you guys for watching. Hit that subscribe, hit the bell, get back to work. Right? Get back to work? Nope. See you on the next one. Get back to work is my Tool Tech Tuesday closing. Nah.